Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some shocking hair color transformations. So here we have someone, she decided to go platinum. This is absolutely gorgeous. She does have the darker roots going here. Cute little bob style. And then we head into look number 2. Oh, so she got the dramatic money piece highlight trend here. Oh, wow. Blonde in the front, brunette in the back. Kind of like a lighter brunette color here. And then we got a break up hair color transformation. So she does have the peekaboo hair color trend. Looks like obviously it's grown out and started to fade. Oh, wow. Oh, this is absolutely breathtaking. I love the visual with the blue. Kind of reminds me of the ocean. Just so pretty. So moving on to the next one. She has this beautiful, thick, wavy hair. She gets a bit of a dip-dyed look here. And ombre has made a strong comeback this season. And I love the fact that she kept her natural curls. And then we have a red hair color transformation. So this is a huge one for 2025. A lot of women are going red. Oh, wow. Look at her hair. I love the way that the color came out. This is absolutely beautiful. And this red has a nice dimensional coloring to it as well. She's got the darker roots. This is breathtaking. And the hair has so much body and movement, so much shine. Gorgeous. So next up, we have somebody rocking out the dip dyed end color trend. So I was talking about this in the previous video. Blue is definitely in. She decided to shake things up by going entirely blue. Very bold and pretty. So here we have someone, she's doing like the reverse split dye trend. Oh, blonde and black combo. So this is like the peekaboo. Wow, that was so cute. And then here we have someone doing the split dye. Looks like a neon green color, very bold. Turquoise roots there, I'm seeing. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Hair down to her waist, split dye. This is gorgeous. Then we have someone doing the calico hair color trend. Ooh. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. Very popular for 2025. So this is that same stylist that did the breakup hair color transformation. He has so many different bold hair coloring transformations on his TikTok. They're just so much fun to watch. He definitely knows what he's doing when it comes to color. And I mean, look at his hair. Looks so cool. So let's see what he ends up doing with this one. Ooh, wow. Sky blue mixed with the darker blue. Oh, wow, this is so fun. Like I said, blue hair is definitely having a moment right now. If you've ever wanted to try going blue, now would definitely be the time to do so. And I like the fact that she still has her bangs. She's got a little bit of layers going here that really adds some more drama and impact with the coloring. And then here we have someone who wanted to do the checkered hair color trend. So this is another super fun one. And there is the final results. Such a cool hairstyle idea. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these fun hair color ideas that you can try this season. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.